Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Apple iPad mini 7 alternatives that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Apple iPad 2018 model with Wi-Fi only, 32 gigabytes, a budget-friendly option from Amazon Renewed that offers solid performance for its price. This device features a 9.7-inch Retina display with a resolution of 2048 by 1536, ensuring a sharp and vibrant viewing experience. Powered by the A10 Fusion chip, it can handle basic tasks like web browsing, streaming, and even light gaming with ease. The 8-megapixel rear camera and 1.2-megapixel front camera are serviceable for casual photography and video calls. When it comes to design, the 2018 iPad is classic Apple, with a lightweight aluminum build that feels premium in the hand despite being a renewed product. The 12-hour battery life is a standout feature, providing all-day use without having to worry about recharging. While it may lack the bells and whistles of newer models, its sturdy build and affordability make it a practical choice for students and casual users. However, it's worth noting that this model is limited by its 32 gigabyte storage capacity, which might not be sufficient for users with high storage needs. Additionally, it doesn't support the latest Apple Pencil, so artists may want to look elsewhere. Still, at just $169, this is an excellent device for those on a tight budget who need a reliable tablet for everyday use. At number 4, we have the Apple iPad Early 2018, 9.7-inch, Wi-Fi, 32 gigabytes in space gray. This is another renewed product from Amazon that offers great value for those looking for a simple yet effective tablet. The device is equipped with the A10 Fusion chip, which delivers decent performance for multitasking, browsing, and streaming. Its 9.7-inch Retina display provides crisp visuals, and with a resolution of 2048 x 1536, it's perfect for watching videos or reading ebooks. The design is sleek and portable, weighing just 1 pound. Its slim profile makes it easy to slip into a bag, making it ideal for on-the-go users like students or casual travelers. One of the key highlights here is its support for the first-generation Apple Pencil, which allows users to jot down notes or create drawings. However, the battery life is slightly shorter than its counterparts, offering around 8 hours of usage on a full charge. While it's a solid option, the early 2018 iPad suffers from the same limitations as the previous model. 32 gigabytes of storage may feel restrictive, and it's not optimized for intensive tasks like video editing or high-end gaming. Still, it's a dependable option for those seeking a reliable tablet for basic productivity tasks and entertainment. Sliding into the third spot is the Apple iPad 10.2-inch Wi-Fi, 128 gigabytes, 8th generation in space gray. This tablet is a significant step up from the 2018 models, featuring an A12 Bionic chip with a neural engine. This makes it capable of handling more demanding tasks such as multitasking, gaming, and light video editing. The 10.2-inch Retina display is larger and more immersive, with a resolution of 2160 by 1620 for stunning visuals. The design is classic Apple with a premium aluminum build, and the larger screen size is a bonus for productivity and entertainment. With 128 gigabytes of storage, you're less likely to run out of space for apps, photos, and videos. Battery life is solid, lasting up to 10 hours on a single charge. It also supports the first-generation Apple Pencil and Smart Keyboard, making it a versatile tool for students and professionals. On the downside, this model lacks Wi-Fi 6 and USB-C connectivity, which are standard in newer iPads. However, for its price point, this is a highly capable device that bridges the gap between affordability and performance, making it a strong contender for mid-range tablet users. At number 2, we have the iPad mini A17 Pro, the latest and most compact option on this list. Featuring an 8.3-inch liquid retina display, this iPad mini combines portability with power. The A17 Pro chip provides exceptional performance, making it ideal for demanding tasks like gaming, photo editing, and multitasking. Its 128 gigabytes of storage gives you plenty of space for apps, files, and media, while Wi-Fi 6E ensures faster and more stable internet connectivity. Its design is incredibly lightweight at just 10.4 ounces, making it perfect for users who prioritize portability. The advanced cameras, 12MP ultra-wide front and 12MP wide back, are excellent for video calls, document scanning, and capturing high-quality photos and videos. With support for Apple Pencil Pro and USB-C connectivity, this is a device built for both creativity and productivity. The only real downside here is the price, which is higher than older models. But for users who value cutting-edge technology in a compact form, the iPad mini A17 Pro is hard to beat. Its all-day battery life ensures it can keep up with you no matter where you go. Finally, at number 1, we have the iPad 10th generation. This tablet strikes the perfect balance between performance, design, and versatility, making it our top pick. The 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display offers stunning visuals with True Tone technology, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience in any lighting condition. The A14 Bionic chip provides excellent performance, allowing you to seamlessly run multiple apps, play immersive games, and edit photos and videos. The design is sleek and modern, with an all-screen edge-to-edge display that feels premium in every way. It supports Wi-Fi 6 for faster connectivity and features advanced 12-megapixel cameras on both the front and back, making it ideal for video calls, photography, and content creation. The 64-gigabyte storage option is adequate for most users, and the all-day battery life ensures you can use it throughout the day without interruption. While it may not have the storage or processing power of the iPad mini A17 Pro, its larger display and slightly lower price point make it the best all-rounder for most users. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, the iPad 10th generation is a versatile and reliable choice that's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.